Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make an online Flowershop website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix is it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you can get started by tapping on create new account, and you can sign up using your email address, your Gmail account, or your Facebook account. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on create new site. After selecting create new site, we're going to tap on create on Wix editor. After selecting create on Wix editor, we're going to tap on set up without AI, as I want you to have full customizing authority, so you're going to tap on set up without AI. Then from there, you're going to type in online flower shop on the line right here. So let's do that, and you're going to select it. Then you are going to tap on next. Once you have selected next, you can see it is preparing your dashboard. Once your dashboard is prepared, I will show you how to add the name of your company and also how to set up the different services or features that you will be offering to your clients. So you can see right here, we are redirected to our dashboard. So we're going to add our store name. So you can type in your store name right here, Jason Flower Shop. So let's do that real quick. After you have typed in your store name, you will tap on next. Then I'll select I'm just getting started. If you're already selling online, you can select yes. Then tap on next. Then from here, you can select the different type of products that you will be selling. So for example, since this is a flower shop, we will be selling physical products. So we're going to select physical. If it is a case that you would like to sell a book or so on, you can select digital products also. And if it's a case that you'll be sourcing products from overseas to do any form of drop shipping related to online, related to your flower shop, you can tap on that. If you want to sell services or book appointments, so for example, if you would like to offer landscaping or better yet flower related consultations, you could select services. Then you will tap on next. After selecting next, you can tap on online store if you will be accepting payments online, and you can also select in person. Then tap on next, and we're going to tap on continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, you'll be redirected to your Wix. Once on the Wix dashboard, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see store products, you're going to select products. After selecting products, you will be redirected to the product page, and you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on new product, then select physical product. After selecting physical product, you will now be able to add an image of the flowers that you are selling, and you'll also be able to set up your prices. So you'll tap on add images. Then you're going to see a pop-up window, and you can tap on upload media. But for this example, I will use one of the copyright-free images that is provided by Wix. So I'm going to type in flower right there, and you can see the different images right here. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. Then tap on add to page. After you have selected add to page, you can scroll down. You could add the name right there of the flower. Then you can scroll down, add a quick description, and you can also add the price that you are selling it for. After doing that, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner, and you can continue doing that and adding your products. So you can continue doing that and add all of your products. And also, if you would like to remove the sample products, you can quickly remove the sample products. All you'll need to do is tap right here. After you have selected that, you can deselect the product that you have uploaded. Then from there, you could select more actions, and you could tap on delete, and you will remove all of the other sample products. Now that I've shown you how to add a product, I will also be showing you how to set up the payment methods. So go over to the left hand menu option, scroll down, select billing and payments, then tap on payments. After you have tapped on payments, you will be redirected to this page and you are going to tap on manage payment methods. After selecting manage payment methods, from here, depending on the country you are located in, you'll be able to connect TiloPay, PayPal. But if you'd like to offer more options, you can simply tap on change. And from there, you could change the website location. So let's say, for example, United States. Then tap on choose. And now you'll see that I'm provided with even more payment options. For example, I can now accept Apple Pay, Google Pay. All I would need to do is tap on connect and connect my account. I can also connect PayPal. And if I want more options, I could tap on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner. Then you can also set up a AAA account, Afterpay, Klarna, and so much more. Once you are finished, you'll go back over to the left hand menu option, scroll up, tap on setup. Then once on this page, you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then tap on pick a template. After you have selected pick a template, you can see the different Flowershop templates that they recommend. You can scroll down until you see one of your liking. Once you have found one, you will tap on edit. And this is one of the main features or the standout features when it comes onto Wix. As with these templates that they are providing you with, it makes it quite easy for even a complete beginner to create a professional looking website. Just give the AI a few seconds while it composes. Once on this page, you have a few options. You could tap in the box and you could type in some information and give the AI an idea of the type of content that you would like to be added to your website. Then tap on generate site text. But if you don't want to do that, you can simply tap on the X to close the pop-up box. Then from there, you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And at the moment, this is how our website looks. So you can see that it does look stunning, as you can see right there. And the product that we had created has been added, as you can see right there. Now to make any changes, although this template doesn't really need any changes, all you'll need to do is simply hover over the section that you'd like to edit. Then tap on quick edit from the top left hand corner. Once you have selected quick edit, if it is a case that you would like to change the header color, you could do that by tapping on change. You can also change the text right there. And by scrolling down, you can see the different sections that you can edit. You can also change the image right here if you want by simply selecting the image. Then you could tap on change to edit it. You can also change the title and information. Now, to edit the rest of your pages, and by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add something to your website that you don't see, so let's say, for example, you wanted to add an extra text box right here. All you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on add elements, and from there you'll see text. You can simply drag and place the text box wherever you want. You can also add images, buttons, anything at all that you would like to add to your website that you don't see. All you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner and you will find the element. It is always there. Wix website is quite easy to edit. And to view the rest of pages on your website, you can tap on home in the top left hand corner. You can see the shop page if we were to tap on shop. So you can see the shop page real quick. So this is how it looks with the different flowers that we'll be offering. And you can tap on shop once more in the top left hand corner. You can also view the about page. So you can see it right here. This is our about page. And again, you can quickly edit it to your liking. So if we were to tap on about once more, you can scroll down. These are all of the pages. To manage our pages, to for example hide or delete a page, you'll need to tap on manage pages in the bottom left hand corner. Then from there you can see the pages. So let's say, for example, you would like to hide the contact page. You can tap on the three dots in line with the page name. Then from there, you will see the option to hide. So let's say, for example, I wanted to hide this page. You could tap on the three dots and you will see the option to hide it, as you can see there. If you want to add a new page, you can simply tap on add page. Once you're finished, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. To get even more features, I would recommend that you upgrade and go onto their paid plan, as it starts off at only $12 per month, which is very affordable for the features that you will be offered. If you have any more questions that you would like to ask, you can leave it in the comment section and I will be sure to answer them in a timely manner. Thank you for watching this video and please hit the like button and subscribe.